Most people do not expect their terminal to tell them a joke when they are deep in the weeds of a broken server. But if you are a Python developer, there is a legendary command that does exactly that. It is called anti-gravity. If you run it, your computer will not actually start floating. Instead, it opens a famous webcomic that celebrates the lightness and joy of the language. It is a piece of pure culture. It is an inside joke that has lasted for years. It does not write your scripts. It does not fix your memory leaks. It is simply there to remind us that programming can be fun. But when the fun ends and the deadline approaches, we need something more substantial. The landscape is splitting into two very different paths. On one side, you have the conversational masters. Think of Claude Code as a brilliant professor sitting across the desk from you. You are not just asking for a quick fix. You are engaging in a dialogue. You can take a piece of confusing logic and ask for a detailed breakdown. It explains the math. It explains the structure. It helps you rethink your entire approach through a back-and-forth dialogue. It is perfect for when you are learning a new language or trying to wrap your head around a difficult concept. You are talking to a brain that understands the theory. The downside is the physical act of using it. You have to jump out of your code. You have to paste your work into a box. You have to wait for a response and then bring it back. This breaks your concentration. It forces you to switch your focus over and over again. This friction is exactly what the new wave of integrated environments is trying to kill. Tools like Cursor do not live in a browser tab. They live inside your code editor. It is right there with you while you type. It sees the files you are working on. It knows the structure of your entire project. It can suggest the next 10 lines of code before you even finish your thought. It allows you to stay in that elusive flow state where hours feel like minutes. You do not have to explain your context because the tool is already living in it. It can refactor an entire folder or write your test suites without you ever leaving the window. This is the ultimate productivity hack for someone who already knows what they are doing but wants to do it 10 times faster. One tool gives you a laugh. One tool gives you a lesson. One tool gives you a finished product. You might use the joke to start your morning. You might use the conversational AI to learn a new library during your lunch break. Then you use the integrated editor to crush your tasks for the rest of the afternoon. We are watching the very nature of work change in real time. The gap between a thought and a working application is shrinking. You just have to pick the right partner for the specific phase of the journey you are in right now. Whether you want a teacher or a co-pilot, the power is right there at your fingertips. Pick your partner and start building.